Are you still struggling with clunky chatbots and unreliable automations? Well, I've got news for you, my friend. You're already behind the curve. The AI revolution is leaving you in the dust, and if you don't catch up fast, your business might not survive what's coming. Hey there, my name is Imtiaz, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to a game-changing business model that's about to disrupt the entire tech industry, the AI Agent SaaS. I'll break down why this is the future and how it's different from what you're currently using, and most importantly, how you can get ahead of the curve and future-proof your business. So stick around because this information could be the difference between thriving and barely surviving in the coming years. Let's start by introducing myself. My name is Imtiaz, and over 10 years, I've worked as a data scientist, machine learning specialist, and now an AI agent developer. I also have experience in education, so I can go as technical as you want or be as practical and non-technical as you want. So AI is not something new. It has been around for decades. We're just scratching the surface with AI. AI that we currently know today is generative AI. We've been using artificial intelligence for as long as I can remember. So if you think about Netflix recommendation system, spam detection system for your email, or even personalized ads, they use something called machine learning, which is also part of artificial intelligence, which is so the current AI that we know today creates new data, and that's why we call it generative AI, because it generates new data. So definition of AI is changing pretty much every few years or so. So what is my definition of AI? Well, to me personally, AI is like a smart digital assistant that can learn and improve over time. It processes large amounts of data to recognize patterns and make decisions. Examples like Siri, Alexa, Netflix recommendation system, spam filters. All this can be AI. Now, the only difference between what was AI before and what is AI now is that the AI or the intelligence is in your hands. Think about all the greatest minds in history like Einstein or Picasso. All their intelligence is now in your hands. Now the question is, what are you going to do with that intelligence? Now let's talk about the evolution of AI in businesses. Okay, so we began with simple automations. You can think of them as simple rule-based systems. They perform repetitive tasks without decision making. Example, automatic email responses augmented with large language models. Basic if-then scenarios or automations that you can plug into your business process to make it even more smarter and intelligent. Then we have chatbots. Now again, chatbots are more advanced than automation. They can understand and respond to basic queries limited to predefined scenarios. Example, website FAQ assistant. They came with a lot of promise to revolutionize customer service, but often falling short of expectations. So if you look at the AI hype versus reality, this is probably where chatbots are going. Soon we are entering this new era of AI agents, and this is where things are going to get really exciting. Okay, you've probably seen big chatbot provider names like VoiceFlow changing their name to AI agents. When they still provide chatbot development as a service, it doesn't have any of the AI agent components, but the marketing clearly reflects where the direction is going to current chatbot systems. Now let's talk about what is AI agents. Okay, so AI agents are the new wave of AI technology, and it's different from all its predecessors because they're not just following pre-programmed rules or giving scripted responses. These agents can think, reason, and make decisions. You can think about a chatbot to just provide flight information, even going as far as making it a calendar. AI agents can not only search for flights, it can compare prices, it can make a booking, it can add it to your calendar, it can even make travel planning, everything, right? So you can almost think of AI agents as an employee, except AI agents have less autonomy than an employee, and it doesn't take vacation. It works 24/7, and any task that you're currently doing in your business that is performed by an employee with a job description and specific task, that can be replicated with AI agents. Even an entire department can also be replicated with AI agents like agent swarms. And of course, there's different flavors of AI agents. There are single agents. Most are production ready, designed for specific tasks, but with much more flexibility and intelligence than traditional automations. Then you have multi-agent systems, multiple agent systems working together, each with its own specializations to solve a complex problem. You could have a main agent, and you can have multiple agents carrying out specific tasks and then coming together to solve a problem. And then you have autonomous multi-agent systems, which is the holy grail of AI, where agents that can operate independently, learn, and adapt without constant human oversight. And I'm going to talk about some of the challenges we currently see, and we are working together to solve these challenges. But there's also a problem because they are experimental and they're not production ready. So you could learn these systems, but I can also make the argument that this could be replaced by GPT-5. It could be autonomous or multi-agent for all we know. So learning OpenAI assistant or agent framework currently could help you transition into this new era that we're coming into. Now, I know what you're thinking. If AI agents are so great, why isn't everyone using them? Because most AI systems lack a slick user interface that business can easily integrate. Okay, there's complexity. Creating even single AI agent is beyond the technical capabilities of most people, let alone multi-agent systems. Okay, so when you see a lot of people starting with the multi-agent system without fundamental programming language, they often are shooting themselves in the foot because you have to build a really solid agent to then transition to a complete multi-agent framework. So there's a lot of complexity and misdirection in the marketplace. And then you have experimental frameworks like Crew AI, shows promise but are still in experimental stages. And of course, the future is uncertain because GPT-5 is on the horizon, potentially offering autonomous multi-agent capabilities out of the box. Many are hesitant to invest in current solutions. But here's the thing, waiting is not an option. The businesses that start implementing AI agents now will have an advantage when GPT-5 does arrive. We are introducing the AI Agent Custom GPT Accelerator. This is where I come in. I developed a comprehensive program called Unleash Your AI Agent, where you can take your prompt to a complete end-to-end product in 10 days. Okay, we're going to use Claude 3.5 Sonnet to develop AI Agent SaaS, your own database, your own rules. And we're going to use the OpenAI Assistant framework. This is perfect for GPT builders who are building GPTs already and automation wizards who have a lot of intelligent automations but want to integrate this nicely to an agentic framework so you can safely transition to this kind of system. And again, as a data scientist with over a decade of experience in machine learning and AI development, I can tailor the content to your technical level, whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced developer. So if you don't know how to code, we can start with the custom GPT and help you understand how you can use low code systems to quickly turn this into a product. Okay, and with my guidance, you can make your dreams into a reality and unleash the full potential of your AI agent. And so we are offering 80% off to early members. They're going to get a lot of benefits, including the Unleash Your AI Agent course. We will also guide you to the creation of your first AI agent or your product, etc. So make sure you send me a message so I can get you in and get you started in your journey. We're going to leverage Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which can write end-to-end products where you can create like games and applications just using natural language, but you're going to get some code that you need to work with. So imagine this, you're working with a senior developer, so you need some fundamental coding knowledge. So I recommend you get 1 to 3 months of experience Python coding, and we can guide you to resources. We have members in our community who have learned Python in a matter of a month using custom GPTs, LM models, and all the resources out there in the community. So I encourage you to do the same because it's going to help you work with these next level systems and create your own AI agents SaaS. So it's time for you to break through the matrix, break through your limiting beliefs, and start taking action. The longer you put this off, the more complex and daunting it will become. For those of you already working with these automation tools like Make, this is your opportunity to take these workflows to the next level with AI agents. For those who are building GPTs, you can now turn this into a complete end-to-end SaaS product as with the AI Agent SaaS. Don't let the revolution leave you behind. Join the school community today to get instant access to Unleash Your AI Agent and start building the future of your business. The link will be in the description. Remember, the AI Agent SaaS model isn't just the next big thing. It's the only thing that will matter in the coming years. Now the question is, will you be ready? Now, thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated in the latest in AI agent development. And I'll see you in the Accelerator. GPT pioneers, let's go.